Hello everyone, welcome to another fascinating journey into the wonders of space. Did you know that the universe is so vast, so incredibly immense, that we haven't even explored 1% of it? Today we embark on a quest to unravel the enigmatic secrets of the cosmos. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to have your minds blown because we're about to explore 5 mind-blowing facts about space that will make you look up at the sky with awe and wonder. From floating tears to monstrous black holes, the universe is a tapestry woven with threads of mystery and wonder. Let us begin our exploration, shall we? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to cry in space? It's not as simple as it seems. In the weightlessness of space, gravity doesn't hold sway as it does here on Earth. Tears, those salty droplets that stream down our faces during moments of joy or sorrow, behave rather differently. Imagine gazing out at the breathtaking vista of Earth from the International Space Station, overcome with emotion. A single tear escapes, but instead of cascading down, it forms a perfect little sphere, clinging to the eye like a miniature shimmering jewel. That's right, in space, tears don't fall. They float. It's a strange and beautiful phenomenon, but it's not without its drawbacks. These floating tears can be quite irritating. They don't evaporate as quickly in the controlled atmosphere of the space station, and they certainly don't roll down your face and drip off your chin like they do here on Earth. Imagine the sensation of a tiny salty bubble clinging to your eye, refusing to budge. It would be like having a constant, if somewhat poetic, irritant. So, the next time you find yourself shedding a tear, take a moment to appreciate the simple wonder of gravity. Ah, black holes. Just the name conjures up images of cosmic monsters lurking in the darkness of space, their insatiable appetites devouring anything that dares to venture too close. Black holes are among the most fascinating and terrifying objects in the known universe. Imagine a region of space where gravity is so strong, so utterly dominant, that nothing, not even light itself, can escape its clutches. These celestial behemoths form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, their cores imploding in on themselves, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume. As you approach the event horizon, the point of no return, the immense gravitational forces would start to play havoc with anything that comes too close. This phenomenon is known as spaghettification, a rather unappetizing term for what is essentially the stretching of matter into long, thin strands, like cosmic noodles. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole, located in the galaxy M87, some 55 million light-years away. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that hidden among the twinkling stars are these enigmatic objects, warping space and time. Here on Earth we take the cycle of day and night for granted. The sun rises, paints the sky with hues of gold and crimson, then sets, giving way to the velvety darkness punctuated by twinkling stars. But in the vast expanse of space, the concept of day and night as we know it simply doesn't exist. Our experience of day and night is a direct result of Earth's rotation. As our planet spins on its axis, different parts of it are bathed in sunlight while others face away into the darkness. But in space, there's no such thing as a fixed point of reference. Imagine this. You're aboard the International Space Station, orbiting our planet at a staggering speed of 17,500 miles per hour. At that speed you witness 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every single day. Talk about a disrupted sleep schedule. Some might find the idea of witnessing so many celestial displays in a single 24-hour period absolutely exhilarating, but for others, the constant cycle of light and darkness might be a recipe for sensory overload. Imagine trying to get a good night's sleep when your internal clock is being thrown completely out of whack by the ever-changing light outside your window. So, which camp would you fall into? Would you relish the opportunity to witness multiple sunrises and sunsets in a single day, or would it drive you to the brink of cosmic madness? We've all seen the movies. Intrepid explorers gliding effortlessly through space, exploring distant planets, their sleek spacesuits making it all look so glamorous and exciting. And while there's no denying the allure and wonder of space exploration, the reality of living and working in that unforgiving environment is a far cry from Hollywood's romanticized portrayal. Let's start with the most pressing issue, the lack of breathable air. Unlike here on Earth, where we're surrounded by a life-giving atmosphere, space is a vacuum. That means no oxygen, which, as you can imagine, is a bit of a problem for us air-breathing humans. That's where spacesuits come in, those marvels of engineering that serve as miniature, wearable spacecraft, providing the oxygen needed to survive. But it's not just the lack of air that poses a challenge. Temperatures in space can swing to extremes that would make even the most extreme environments on Earth seem balmy. In the shadows, temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling minus 270 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you think that's bad, step into the sunlight, and you'll be met with temperatures soaring to a scorching 250 degrees Fahrenheit. To protect against these extreme temperatures, spacesuits are designed with multiple layers of insulation, each layer serving a specific purpose. But wait, there's more. Micrometeoroids, tiny particles of space debris zipping around at incredibly high speeds, pose a constant threat to both humans and spacecraft. To guard against these cosmic bullets, spacesuits have an outer layer made of a tough, impact-resistant material, often Kevlar. In 2013, during a spacewalk outside the International Space Station, a spacesuit malfunctioned. Water began leaking into the helmet, eventually covering the eyes, ears, and nose, making it difficult to see, hear, or breathe. So, the next time you see someone gracefully maneuvering through space, remember that beneath that seemingly effortless exterior lies a complex web of technology and human ingenuity. We've all experienced the joys of a delicious meal, the flavors and textures tantalizing our taste buds, the aromas filling our senses. But have you ever stopped to consider what it would be like to eat and drink in space? In microgravity, eating becomes a fascinating exercise in physics and ingenuity. Liquids form floating blobs, making drinking a challenge. Special pouches and straws are used to drink. Food must be carefully packaged to prevent floating particles. Early space missions relied on freeze-dried foods. Today, a variety of pre-packaged meals are enjoyed. NASA even sends up specially designed pizzas and tortillas. So, what earthly dish would you bring to space? As we conclude our cosmic journey for today, let the awe-inspiring images of our universe serve as a reminder of the infinite wonders that lie beyond our pale blue dot. From the monstrous appetite of black holes to the distant galaxies, space continues to amaze and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. The universe is vast, mysterious, and endlessly fascinating. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing explorations of the universe and beyond. And remember, keep looking up, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder.